What is the use of technology in our life today? Let me show you the 4 clippings of cartoons that shows the use of technology.
The first clipping of cartoon is TV Relax.
The second clipping of cartoons is Let's See Outdoors.
The third clipping of cartoons is Evolution.
The fourth clipping of cartoon is Confession.
What ideas about technology do the cartoon present?
As you can see, all those pictures represent the different types of people of how they use the technology or social medias with their lives. But we also notice the big effects of this to all of us.
Technology has become ingrained in our daily lives. We no longer need to go out and communicate with other people to obtain information or news. As seen in the image, we get fact or news about whatever is going on around us by using a modern technology.
Technology addiction have grown with several people. Some of them use technology to escape their problems and temporarily forget their sorrows. But too much time of depending on the internet, either other forms of technology, it may lead to a depression.
Evolution. Technology has been evolving continuously and it plays a big role in our lives. It helps us in many different ways, to the point that it is the one that completes almost everything for us. In just one click, everything you need is already there, which makes us too comfortable. In the picture, the human is just sitting there with all the food around him. But as we can see, his body is too big and he is obese because he moved too little and the technology is the one that do all the works for him.
Confession. Clipping speaks about how people nowadays use the social media like Facebook as their way of releasing emotions. Social media is now the dictionary of most of the people right now because they post all the things that happen in their daily lives. Things that should be kept in private is now being public because some people think that people in social media can always help them. Do these cartoons present positive or negative ideas about technology?
The TV Relax can present a positive idea. After you come home from work, watching TV can make you more relaxed since it provides a momentary escape from whatever stresses are eating away at you.
The Let's See Outdoors clipping can be negative and positive idea. Negative because of technology, we have forgotten to take a movement with the beauty of nature. Spending some time in the shadow of trees and enjoy the beauty of flowers because now we much enjoy browsing all the beautiful views on the internet. Positive because in this time of pandemic, it's too dangerous to go outside. So much better to look the beauty of nature on the internet.
The evolution clipping present a negative idea. The advantage of evolution of technology is to make our life easier. But now, it seems like it made people lazy because they have become so much dependent on the technology that it's almost impossible for them to live without it. They almost forgotten the everyday human activities such as exercising and cooking.
The confusion. Clipping present a negative idea. They spend their precious time on social media. Some people reveal too much personal details about them. The criminals and cheaters may use their personal information to cheat these innocent Facebook users.